Day 24 everyone.
Good morning, Sammie the Snail. I'm back to snail around with Deni. Deni comes for a walk every morning to check on her garden. Today I'm on the table. I hope she sees me. Deni, good morning down here on the table.
Oh my Sammie, you scared me. Wasn't expecting to see you here this early. Good morning, how are you doing? I hope you're leaving my plants alone.
Oh Deni, it took me most of the night to climb this table. Needless to say, Deni, I'm so tired now, just going to hang out here with you and rest. Is that okay, Deni?
Of course Sammie, rest here for as long as you want to today. Did you know some of you friends and family have been feeding on my plants along with George the slug? I must say I'm not too happy, and you know what happens if this continues, right?
Yes, I know you put what looks like pellets out and it hurts us. Some of us don't make back.
I'm sorry I have to do that, it's my food for the winter.
Okay, I know.
Bye Sammie, going to work. Thanks for watching, see you on day 25.